All right, so I wanted to take a moment, show you a nice little card trick. Here I have a deck of cards. Just gonna filter through here, take out that card and set it to the side. Now what we're gonna do here is we are going to shuffle to our heart's content, and then we'll just fan out the cards. We're gonna give the spectator a choice. Let's say that they choose this card here, right? So what we're going to do then is have them look at that card, examine that card. I am not going to look at this card. I'm just going to try and show it to the camera the best I can here. Hopefully it gets in there. I'm going to set it back down. So then we're just going to shuffle up these cards as much as we like, and then deal out, let's say we deal out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we'll set the rest of these cards to the side. And then we're going to take the spectator's card, we're going to lose it in there, and then we're going to shuffle those up. You can let the spectator shuffle, you can do whatever you like. And then you're going to lay those cards out, and with the power of your beautiful mind, you are going to read the spectator's mind, and then you are going to find their card, which, if I chose the right one, should be that card. Okay, so this is a very, very simple card trick, but what it involves is what's called a one-way deck. If you look at the design here, you're going to see a few things. This is a very special gambler's deck for cheating and card tricks and whatnot, but you're going to see, for the most part, the design looks the same, right? But there's a discrepancy here, is that right in the center there's a little tiny triangle, and when you have the deck arranged a certain way, that triangle all points the same way. So what you're going to do is you're going to be talking to your spectator. You can shuffle the you just and then you just lay out a choice for them. You let them choose any card that they like. This one here, you hand it to them, and then as you bring the cards back, you are going to turn them so that now the two selections are reversed. You see the arrows pointing down, the arrows pointing up. Those two selections are reversed. So that they're going to take the card, they're going to look at it like this, they're going to show it to all their friends. We see it's the 7 of hearts, right? Show it to all their friends. You're going to ask them to hand it back to you. And when they do, they're going to turn it down the same way they received it because they don't want to show it to you. Then you're going to take it, set it down, and you decide how many cards you want. I choose 8. It's a good even number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all dealt in the same way. And then we're going to take that spectator's card, we're going to lose it in. You're going to legitimately shuffle to their heart's content. Ask them when they want you to stop, however you want to perform this. And then you're going to say, through the power of mentalism, through the power of reading your mind, I will find your card. Let's dish them out in even numbers. And you're going to lay it out, and I had 1 card extra, but that's okay. You're going to lay it out. I have 1 card extra, and that's okay because that 1 card extra actually ends up being slightly different from every other card and becomes their card. Now, like I said, this works with any one-way deck. Here I have another one-way deck. It looks like, for all intents and purposes, that it is a normal matched up deck. This is a Maker's Mark deck. There you go. The one little thing that sets it apart is this little design in the center, so that when that card is spun, you can see that the letters are upside down. So let's do the trick with this deck here. You're going to lay it out. Spectator takes a card, make sure it stays straight. As you bring it back together, you turn it. They look at their card, 10 of spades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to lose their card in there. It doesn't really matter where. You can shuffle to your heart's content. As when you lay them out, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now there's 1 card that is different from the others, being this one, which is the 10 of spades. So there you go. That's a cute little, practically no effort little thing that you can do to blow people's minds using a one-way deck. And one-way decks can be found all over the place in different places. You just have to look for the print on the back of boxes. Usually you'll see the print of what is on the card. Just look for one that looks unique, that looks different to you, and there you have it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe if you so enjoy doing so. I thank you very much, and I appreciate everything. I'm over 200 subscribers now, 200 and growing. So I just really, really appreciate all the support that I've been getting lately, and just loving you guys. I'll do a video on these Maker's Mark cards soon. They are very cool. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a pleasant day.